Want to learn how to add a video background in LeadPages and make your landing page stand out? Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the simple process of adding a video background to your LeadPages and share some insights on how this feature can impact your conversion rates. By the end of this video, you'll know how to elevate your page design and what alternative tools you might want to explore to get even more advanced features. So let's dive right in. First, head over to your LeadPages account and create or edit the page where you want to add the video background. You'll need to select a section of your page where the video will sit. Typically, this would be the hero section or a banner area. Next thing, look for the section settings, which you can usually find on the left side of the page builder. Once you're in the settings for the section, look for an option labeled background. This is where you'll have the option to upload either a solid color or an image. But for adding a video background, click on the video option. The fourth thing, now you'll see a field where you can enter the URL of your video. LeadPages doesn't host the video, so you'll need to have the video uploaded somewhere like YouTube, Vimeo, or your own hosting platform. Paste the video URL into the field, and boom, the video background will be applied. Next thing, be sure to configure the settings for the video. You can choose to have the video autoplay when the page loads, mute the video, or set it to loop. Autoplay is often a good idea for video backgrounds as it draws people in right away, but make sure it's not distracting. You don't want the video to overpower your message. The sixth thing, and this is important, make sure you check the mobile responsiveness. Video backgrounds can sometimes be tricky on smaller screens, so you want to ensure the video looks great across devices. LeadPages allows you to preview the design on mobile, so double-check how it's looking before you publish. Now, while LeadPages offers an easy way to add video backgrounds, let's talk about some limitations. For instance, LeadPages can be a bit restrictive if you want full customization or more advanced video settings. The video format can also impact the loading times, which could hurt your page's performance. LeadPages does have some great features, but it's not the most flexible tool when it comes to video backgrounds. That leads me to some alternatives. While LeadPages might work for simple landing pages, if you're looking for more advanced features, especially for high conversion, rich media websites, I recommend checking out tools like ClickFunnels or WordPress with specialized page builder plugins. These platforms offer a lot more customization options, including greater control over video settings and media handling. But if you want something that combines ease of use with powerful design flexibility, there's also another tool worth checking out. I've partnered with a service that offers an exclusive, extended free trial for our viewers, and it comes with features that far surpass LeadPages in terms of customization, speed optimization, and video management. I'll leave the link for you below, so make sure to grab that extended trial and explore the possibilities. Remember, whether you stick with LeadPages or explore other tools, make sure your video background enhances the user experience and doesn't detract from your page's loading speed or the message you're trying to convey. LeadPages is great for beginners, but when you're ready for more control and better results, these alternatives will help you achieve your goal. So, check out the link in the description for your exclusive offer and the best free trials available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.